What if you could tap into one of the hottest, most mysterious niches exploding right now and start pulling in serious cash, starting today? This guy is absolutely dominating by creating long-form English videos, racking up views from the USA and English-speaking countries and banking massive earnings. He's crushing it with Bigfoot mystery videos, real mind-blowing encounters that actually happened in the wild. I'll break down exactly what Bigfoot is and how these videos work in just a sec. But first, let's look at the jaw-dropping views and income this channel is pulling in. Check this out. His video from just 3 days ago has 58,000 views. Another with 10,000, 47,000, 28,000, 23,000, and one that exploded to 320,000. This channel is in the pets and animals category, and in the last month alone, he smashed over 1.5 million views. At a conservative $3 RPM, that's around $8,500 in earnings last month alone. Even at $2 RPM, he's still crushing it with massive payouts. And yes, this channel is 100% monetized. Ads are running full force. Now, let's dive into how he's making these powerhouse videos. Bigfoot is this incredible, unusual creature, an enormous ape-like being that's rarely spotted, but when it is, people lose their minds. It's a total mystery that fascinates everyone, especially in the West, and that's why creators are exploding with real encounter videos. These are based on genuine sightings and footage. Let me play a quick clip to show you exactly what I'm talking about.
What really sets this clip apart is the eye shine. The creature's eyes are glowing intensely. If this were someone in a costume, it's extremely unlikely their eyes would reflect light in this way.
See that? It's pure AI voiceover on top of original, authentic footage, real photos or videos from actual Bigfoot encounters. You're about to learn everything: where to find these original stories, how to build killer scripts, how to create the full video, and even how to make those eye-popping thumbnails that pull in clicks like crazy, all right here in this video. But before we charge ahead, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now and smash the like on this video. It fuels the fire and keeps the epic content coming. Step 1. Grab your ready-made thumbnail prompts. First, jump into the description of this video. You'll find 5 powerhouse prompts I created just for you to make insane Bigfoot thumbnails. No need to brainstorm text or design from scratch. These AI prompts give you complete scenes: Bigfoot with a bold red circle, an arrow pointing right at it, and actual footage screaming across the top. Just copy any prompt you love, head to Google and type piclumen.com. Hit the Create button, paste your prompt into the box, click the Size button, select 16:9 ratio, choose 2 images, and smash Generate. Boom! In seconds, you've got professional click magnet thumbnails ready to go. Zero effort, maximum impact. Start slapping these on your videos and watch the clicks explode. Step 2. Hunt down real Bigfoot encounter stories. The biggest challenge, finding those authentic stories, but I've got your back. Let's solve it together. Go to Google and search reddit.com. Sign up with your Gmail, super quick. Once inside, hit the search bar and type Bigfoot. Click the Communities tab. You'll see massive groups with hundreds of thousands of members. One has 247K alone obsessed with Bigfoot. Join the top ones. Now use the filters. Click the first filter and select Top, then the second and choose This Year. Boom! Top real encounter videos from this year flood the screen. These are perfect for fair use. We're just narrating the story, transforming it with commentary. No misuse here. Stay fair, stay safe, and dominate. Scroll through, play one. A guy spots Bigfoot on camera, freaks out, and jumps off his vehicle. Another, a family in the woods, captures something massive on film. These are gold. Pick any that fires you up. Step 3. Generate a killer script instantly. Scripting takes forever unless you've got my done-for-you prompt. Head back to this video's description. Below the thumbnail prompts, you'll find my powerful script-generating prompt. Copy the whole thing, go to Google, search ChatGPT, and jump in. Paste the prompt. Where you see the dots, paste the Reddit link of your chosen video. To grab the link, back on Reddit, hit Share under the video, copy link. Paste that link into the prompt and hit Send. Crucial, before generating, click the Tools button at the bottom and turn on Search with Web. This lets it analyze the real video for maximum accuracy. In seconds, bam, a complete, gripping script tailored to that exact encounter. Copy the full script, skip headings if you want, paste it into Notepad, clean it up into pure narration flow. You're ready to crush. Step 4. Create pro-level AI voiceover 100% free. Ignore the haters saying AI voiceovers won't monetize. I've proven it wrong in past videos. It's total nonsense. Work hard, stay consistent, and success will come your way. Don't listen to the noise, charge forward. For an epic natural voiceover, Google clipchamp.com, Microsoft's beast of a tool, free and powerful. Click Try Now, sign in with Gmail, hit Create a New Video. On the left, click Record and Capture, scroll down to Text to Speech, paste your full script on the right. Language, keep English, United States, click Voices, pick any killer male or female voice that pumps you up. Hit Save. In 2 to 3 seconds, your professional voiceover is ready. Export it, downloads as a video file, but we'll just grab the audio in editing. Step 5. Edit like a pro and make it pop. Open your editor. I'm using Wondershare Filmora. You can use any editor. Import your original footage to the timeline. Mute its audio completely. Zero original sound. Import your voiceover video. Drag it to a lower audio track so only the voice plays over your footage. Play it through. When Bigfoot appears, pause the playhead exactly there. Go to Stickers or Elements, grab a red arrow and red circle. Drag them to the timeline right at the playhead spot. Resize them small, positioned perfectly over Bigfoot. Adjust the arrow direction to point dead on. Shorten the arrow layer so it appears only when Bigfoot first shows, then vanishes, leaving just the circle tracking it. If the circle drifts as Bigfoot moves, split the layer, cut it, and reposition each segment, or use keyframes for smooth tracking. Add killer background music. Go to YouTube Audio Library, search Horror, download a tense, mysterious track, and layer it in. Color grade, open color adjustments, tweak to make it darker, more eerie, but keep it vibrant. Add a filter across the whole video for that cinematic feel. Drop in a text overlay, your channel name, stretch it full length, style it bold, export at the highest resolution. Your viral Bigfoot mystery video is done.
Imagine stepping into a silent Russian forest. Then you freeze. Something huge is moving in the shadows. It's not a bear, but it's not human either. Our footage begins with something tall, dark, and looming in the distance. At first, you might think it's just trees swaying or a passerby in a coat. But wait till that thing just straighten up and stride on 2 legs. As the camera zooms, you see it. An immense, hairy shape with broad shoulders and an unnerving gait. Long strides, fluid, almost leaping across logs. It moves with a purpose, like it knows you see it. Is this proof of the legendary Almasty, the Russian version of Bigfoot, known in folklore for centuries in the Caucasus and Altai Mountains? Scientists have dug up footprints. Locals have whispered sightings for over 300 years. And now, this video. You'll feel the tension in every shake of the camera. Hear the forest grow eerier as the creature lopes away. You'll wonder, is this a wild man, an elaborate hoax, or something between? So what do you think? A mysterious cryptid caught on tape, or just clever illusion? Drop a comment below and tell us. Is the Almasty real, or is this just another legend hiding in plain sight?
If you stay consistent and pour in the hustle, success is coming your way. If this video fired you up, smash that like button. Share it with your friends to spread the knowledge and support. Subscribe right now, turn on all notifications so we keep meeting and you keep leveling up your video game.